channel, he'll be doing the mail call as well. So thanks very much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Over to you, Rob.
Right. All right, for those of you that just got here and didn't already see and pick up on what was happening, our friend Deorse sent us a couple of boxes of good stuff. And if Age good stuff is any indication of what mine is, then I'm very much looking forward to it. Now, as I adjust my camera here, I may cut a little bit of this piece out while I get everything set up just right. But Ade got some really good stuff, including some broccoli, which he's quite fond of, as I understand.
Yeah, first I've heard of it.
So, we're going to see what we got. Deorse, being the generous guy he is, sent each of us a package. Sent Ade 2 packages, but that's all right. So, I'm going to make a mention to Brandon here as I use this knife to open up. And we will see, okay, there's a note on top, as I suspected there might be. Forgot about that little point there when I snapped that back down with my hand. That'll help me remember.
Yeah, it's for, like, you know, frosting skulls.
True, it is. All right, set that down there. So, what does my note say? 4. Ha! 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 There we go. So, do you want to see it as well?
Well, I saw the word Englishman.
Yeah.
Because it kind of popped out, which must mean me.
Well, it might
possibly
be a different Englishman.
I doubt it.
All right, and this will be for me.
So Deorse knows Jamiroquai. Wow, that's pretty cool.
And I don't know Jamiroquai, but I have a feeling that's not really what that means.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Yeah, yes.
I'm just getting stuck in.
No doubt, no doubt. All right, that'll go good in the fire if we decide to get cool enough later. All right, so this looks very similar, in fact. So this may be almost the same, but that makes me happy. Now, we may do some swapping on the peanut logs, as I don't have enough teeth to chew the peanuts.
You feel how soft it is?
I did. The part in the middle
nice.
is very good, but the peanuts are what'll give me heck. But it'll be, maybe I can just shave off the outer bit, eat the nougat on the inside, or trade you for 8 or 10 of those, 8 or 10 of those pizza slices that you've got. Yeah.
No.
I figured not, but I might trade you. So anyway, I'm going to start with some of the good stuff here. Cheddar broccoli is actually one of my favorite things. I am quite a big fan of broccoli. The texture doesn't bother me, and the taste is wonderful. So these right here, what we'll have to do is maybe, y'all haven't seen it yet, but we've got an apocalypse cellar video that we are working on. We're working on editing it now, and revisiting that and actually cooking one of these might be a good thing.
Yeah, that might be good. Yeah. I think they make us for half a gallon. I think.
Oh yeah, this looks like it's going to be a bunch. I mean, this will fill both of us for probably 3 meals each. Of course, it says 4 1-cup servings, so it seems like it would be more, but nonetheless, that's going to be quite nice. This is, for anybody that doesn't know it, this kind of stuff right here is absolutely fantastic prepper and survival type food, because they weigh nearly nothing, and they will keep nearly forever in these packets like this. Noodles don't go bad. I mean, they just don't go bad. We had some noodles that Christy and I got, Happy Hair and I got, when we were, everybody knows, when we first got married. And it was a big container. Well, you know the jar in the office in there that's got the bottle caps in it that's behind where you sit?
Yeah.
That we got full of little twirly noodles back the year maybe before we got married, but right in that time frame somewhere. This is 25 years, and those noodles are still just fine, and they have not been kept. In fact, I found them in the kitchen here a while back in a container that was open, didn't even have a top on it. I can't believe there weren't mice in it, and they're still just fine. So pasta apparently lasts forever. So Deorse, really good call on these right here. This is fantastic. This is good, very good. Can I set mine on top of your box?
Yeah, you can do
Thank
that,
you.
yeah.
That's perfect. Perfect. All right. So anyway, then you saw the peanut logs here. These are Stuckey's And you may not know this, Stuckey's is a roadside phenomenon from back in the time I was a little kid. They had it was like the precursor to the modern day convenience store. You drive along and on major highways there were Stuckey's, and inside they had different gifts and just souvenirs and candies and little things to eat like that. I don't remember if they had gas pumps at that time, just because that wasn't how it worked. But Stuckey's, I don't even know how you say it, has been around since I was a little kid, and that was back in the 60s. And so that is a testament to how good of stuff they probably have, because they're still going strong. And so my guess is Happy Hair is going to steal one of these, and probably Cornelius, Sarah, is going to steal one of these as well. But that's okay, because I'm a good father and a great husband, and I'm happy to share if I have to. So then, oh my gosh, I shudder to think that it may be the same thing as what was in yours. I'll humble myself when we get to that point. All right, so, yep, there we go. These are also great to have. I've done loads and loads and loads of camping, hiking, backpacking, as has my friend Ade here. And we can both tell you that these are great for that kind of thing, because, you know, if you've got water with you and you've got one of these, you can whip up something to eat just in short order.
Yeah, under 10 minutes, and you've got hot food inside of you.
Exactly.
Under a shelter, your sleeping bag wrapped around you.
Yep, especially if you've got a beef jerky or something like that to slice a bit into, or something like that. Then you're just in great shape. Maybe a couple of cookies to finish it off. But yeah, this is great. I love this kind of stuff. I really do.
Mate. I love it.
All right, so let's see what I've got. I've got some MREs. Right, up yours, I got my own pizza slices, so now I don't have to bother with yours.
Where are you getting these from? Yeah, what do you know? You know someone at Spadoco, Paco, whatever it's called, Tobacco, yeah? He knows someone who works there, surely.
That's pretty handy.
Yeah.
Sopaco. Yeah, I don't know them, but this is great. I'm all about MREs. I have liked MREs ever since I had a cousin in the Army that was in a tank group. He was a tank gunner, driver, loader in Colorado back in the late 80s, early 90s, I guess, somewhere back in there. And so I've always been a fan of MREs.
I love MREs.
Oh, yeah, they're great. They're fun. I'm sure the guys that have to deal with them, this is what they get 3 times a day. They probably don't have as much fun with them, but I'm not stuck with that, so I can have fun with them.
Same here, mate. Yeah,
so
I can understand eating them every day, especially when people are stealing the pizza slice ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
And giving them to Deorse.
So it's going to be fun to learn about what different menus are what here, but this one, yeah, this is going to be good. So I got a pizza slice. We got a beef patty, jalapeno pepper jack. That sounds quite good.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Nice. We got that one. And then, last but not least, this is Southwest style beef and black beans. That sounds like a hearty meal to me. Very good, very good. Well done, Deorse. Well done. Yes. I'll be glad to have it, but it'll be hard to wear it, because he is going, yes, Mr. Corsair is going to have a good time at our expense when we wear these and tell him how great they are while we're eating Cheetos and maybe having a soft drink or something, because that would just be the right thing to do. This is going to be good. I may not get it worn much, because we're already getting into summertime here. Yep, there we go. Words to live by right there, especially for a guy like me. Very good. Very good. Yep. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and just put this on one time, and just to show I am a good sport. Plus, it looks like a really nice shirt. Steve, you better send me some love for this, brother. All right, so move that out of the way. Point this up here where it'll be about the right height. And here we go. I guess this makes us the Texas division of the Corsair what is it, Corsair Island of Misfits.
Yeah.
And you know what? We're just having a good time. Steve is a good contact of ours. He does. If you don't watch Steve at Corsair Trainer, you probably should.
Yeah, you're missing out on a lot of good info.
Even though he's a little hard to take sometimes, he comes up with some pretty good stuff, and we can't help giving him a bad time. But I am, truthfully, I'm glad for this. I'm glad for this shirt. Plus, it makes me look slim and trim like Mr. Corsair himself, if he actually is. Anyway, that's it. We got the boxes open. If you didn't watch Ade's video, you need to go to Ade's channel. I'm going to put a link there. You can go watch his. He did the first part of this where he unboxed his stuff, and then we just smoothly transitioned and segued into this one, and it was a good time. To Deorse, thank you, brother. We appreciate you thinking about us.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Truly do.
Fantastic gifts.
Good stuff. We're looking forward to getting into this. Maybe do a couple more videos using this stuff. So that'll be a good time. All right, to everybody else, thank you for being here. Hope you had a good time just like we did. All right, cheers, y'all.